Hey there, this is Prapti and today we are going to learn about les pronoms sujets, the subject pronouns in French. Let's first know what subject pronouns are. The subject pronouns are the pronouns which indicate who or what is performing the action in a particular sentence. Les pronoms sujets in French are determined by number and person. What do I mean by this? Number is divided into two categories, singular and plural, whereas person is divided into three categories, which is first person, second person and third person. First person means the speaker. So if I say I am talking to Paul, here I is the first person because I am speaking. Next is second person. Second person is definitely the listener. So if I say you are going on a walk, you here is the listener and we consider it to be the second person. What is the third person? The third person is neither the speaker nor the listener. It's the person who's been talked about. In that category, in that case, we use third person. Let's start with the French subject pronouns, les pronoms sujets. Je. Je is the first on our list. It means I. I means je. Now here are two things to note. Je is only capitalized if it's present at the beginning of a sentence. Unlike in English, we do not capitalize the J of je if it's present in the middle of a sentence. Secondly, je contracts to J apostrophe in front of a vowel or a muted H. We'll study this later in our other videos. For now, you just need to know that I means je in French. Then we have on our list tu. Tu is our next subject pronoun. Tu is used for you and is informal. So we use tu for talking to our youngers or for talking to our friends. Tu is also singular. Then we have il. Il means he or it. Then we have Elle. Elle means she or it. Then it's on. We pronounce this as on. This means we and is used for informal cases. Nous, on the other hand, is used for formal cases and means we. Nous. Then we have vous. Vous means you and this vous is used for formal cases where we are talking to our teachers, our parents. We use this vous because it's formal one. It's also used for more than one person. So if you are talking to many persons, you may use the word vous to address them as you. Here are some things to note. Tu is informal and singular as I already told you. So if you're talking to more than one person, it doesn't make a difference what your relationship is. You always need vous. Whereas vous is formal and plural. So when you're talking to a singular person, the choice of formality or informality must be made. Formal one is vous and informal one is tu. Then we have il. This means they and is used for masculine. So if you have a group of boys, a group of males, you use the word il to address them as they. You also use this il to address a group which consists of males and females both. And next we have Elle. This means they again, and this we use to refer only to a group of girls. So if in a group there are only females, we use Elle. If there is a mixed group of mixed gender, we use il, as I told you earlier. Now let's revise through some exercises. relie avec le pronom personnel sujet qui convient. Match the personal pronouns, match the subject personal pronouns with the convenient subjects. Okay, so you can refer to this vocabulary list which I have put up over here. First one is done for you. Ma sœur means my sister. My sister is singular and third person. She is also feminine. So we'll use ELLE, which means Elle, which means she. Similarly, complete the rest of them. Pause the video for yourself and try this. Well, I hope you have tried. Let's move to its solution. Let's study the solution. Les classes means the classes. The classes is plural and is feminine. Also, it's third person. So we'll use ELLES, which is Elle, which means she, which means which means they. Tom et toi. Tom et toi means Tom and you. So this we consider as plural you. In that case, we'll use vous. Then next is le cartable, the bag. The bag in this case is masculine and singular. It's also in third person. We'll use IL, il, which means he. But in this case, le cartable is a non-living thing and means the bag. So we consider its meaning, its translation to be it. Next we have Tom et moi. Moi means me. So Tom and me. Here the speaker, who's me, is also included in this subject. So we'll use nous, which means we. Tom et moi is considered as the subject pronoun nous, me, we. Well, that was all for today's video. Now let's just summarize what we have learned till now. Je, tu, il, elle, on are singular subject pronouns in French, whereas nous, vous, il, elle are the plural subject pronouns in French. That was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and share my video.